Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest advancements in technology. Today, prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of security in 2024. From facial recognition to smart home monitoring, this is the future of protection. Imagine walking up to your home, and with a single glance, your front door recognizes you, granting immediate access. In 2024, facial recognition has evolved to an unprecedented level, providing a seamless and convenient security experience for every homeowner. But it's not just residential areas that are benefiting from this cutting-edge technology. In crowded spaces like airports, stadiums, and shopping centers, surveillance systems have become remarkably efficient at identifying potential threats. These systems can analyze hundreds of faces in real time, detecting suspicious behavior and ensuring public safety like never before. Monitoring has never been easier or more comprehensive. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms has given rise to intelligent camera systems that can track movements, identify objects, and alert security personnel in real time. This unprecedented level of situational awareness enables faster response times and efficient crisis management. The battlefield of cybersecurity has also seen significant advancements. Companies now employ state-of-the-art technologies such as biometric authentication, quantum encryption, and sophisticated threat detection systems. These measures work together to safeguard critical data from sophisticated hackers and cyber attacks. As we look into the future, it's undeniable that technology is revolutionizing security in incredible ways. From facial recognition unlocking doors to AI-powered surveillance, our safety has never been this fortified. Stay tuned to our channel as we continue to explore the latest breakthroughs and innovative solutions shaping our world.